Weather Service in Wilmington has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Champaign County, northeastern Clark County, north central Madison County, until 2:30 p.m. At 1:47 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Northridge, moving east at 15 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts and penny-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Springfield, Northridge, Mechanicsburg, Choctaw Lake, Harmony, Brighton, South Vienna, Catawba, Mutual, Buck Creek State Park, Powhatan, Catawba Station, Interstate 70 at State Route 56, New Moorfield, and Plumwood. This includes I-70 in Ohio between mile markers 61 and 74.